Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by shutting off the water and relieving pressure. This prevents surprises. Apply penetrating oil to the stem threads and let it soak for 10-15 minutes so it can break corrosion bonds. While oil works, remove any decorative caps and fasteners. Use tape to avoid scratching. You should verify you have the correct sockets and a holding tool, because once the oil has softened the grip, you'll need steady leverage to begin turning without twisting nearby fixtures. Once soaked, try gentle turning with the right-sized wrench. If it resists, heat the area with a torch briefly to expand the metal. This loosens rust without removing parts. Make small, controlled impact taps on the stem with a punch and rubber mallet to shock the joint free. This helps break solidified deposits. If it still holds, reapply penetrating oil and weight. Alternating chemical soak and mechanical force gradually freeze the stem without shearing off threads or damaging the valve body. You extract the stem by backing it out slowly, maintaining steady torque to avoid stripping threads. If the head spins, use an extractor or locking pliers on a protected area. Once removed, clean threads and bores thoroughly, inspect seals, and replace damaged packing or O-rings before lubricating and reassembling. If the stem breaks or won't budge, remove the entire valve body or consult a replacement part. One key troubleshooting tip: when damage occurs, stop forcing and switch to disassembly to prevent costly repairs.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.